Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTabs Drupal plugin into your Drupal store. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the plugin. And now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to move to the first part of step 2, which is configuring the mandatory configuration options inside our Drupal plugin. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that you can find the full documentation for this part inside PayTabs support portal under the article called the Drupal Plugin Integration Manual. And now, let's move forward. From the integration manual over here, navigate to step 2, and from step 2 you should click on part 1, getting started with the mandatory configurations. Here, you will find a solution article that contains a step-by-step process that will walk you through configuring your mandatory configuration inside your Drupal plugin. So let's walk through it. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Drupal platform over here and navigate to the commerce section. From the commerce section, click on configuration over here, and after that you will find a section called payment, and under it a payment gateways. Click on payment gateways, and here you will find a list of all the payment gateways inside your store. The next thing you need to do is to click on edit over here to open the configuration page for your Drupal plugin. Now, here you will find a red asterisk along with each of the mandatory configuration options. So here, the mandatory configuration options are the name, the plugin, the display name and the mode, of course the merchant profile ID and the server key, and the merchant region, and finally the payment mode and the integration mode. Now, here we will walk you through the first and the mandatory configuration option that we need to know, as displayed here in our solution articles, which is the name, the plugin, the profile ID, the server key, and the merchant region. Now, for each of this part, you will find a solution article that will guide you through how to get it. Now, for the name, you can choose any unique name that you need to know, and for the display name, the same case goes. Now, of course, for the plugin, you will need to choose PayTabs Payment Gateway. Now, the next thing you need to start learning about, which is the mode, test or live. Of course, test is for your testing profile and live is for your live profile. To learn more about the test profile and the live profile, you can check our solution article, What is Test Profile versus Live Profile, mentioned here. Now, the second thing you should know about, which is the merchant profile ID, and you can learn how to know about it and get it from our solution article, How to Get Your Account Information from PT2 Dashboard. Now, after learning how to get your profile ID, you should put it on here. The same case going with the server key, and in order to get your server key, you should check our solution article, How to Get My Authentication Integration APIs keys from here. Finally, the last thing you need to get for the mandatory configuration option, which is the region, and also you can check our solution article, What is my region endpoint URL, and you will find the details that will help you to get your region, and after that you should submit it over here by clicking your region, and you will be done the configuration option and mandatory ones. Finally, you should enable the plugin from here and click on save, and by doing that you have configured the mandatory configuration options, and in the next couple of videos we will walk you through the rest of the configuration options. So let's walk through it.